Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, a man travels a total distance of 26 km in 4 hours, and in order to cover this distance, he uses walking and cycling. So he walks a part of the time at 5 km per hour, and the rest of the time he cycles at 8 km per hour, and thus we have to find the total distance traveled by him using cycle. So what we can do is, before solving this problem, we must know that distance is equals speed multiplied by time, right? Now total time taken in order to travel a distance of 26 km is 4 hours. So what we can do is, let us consider, let the time taken for cycling equals x hours. Therefore, time taken for walking equals 4 minus x hours, right? Therefore, distance traveled by walking will be equals time taken for walking multiplied by speed at which I was walking. So it will be 4 minus x multiplied by 5 kilometers, right? Similarly, distance traveled by cycling will be equals time of duration of cycling, which is x hours, multiplied by my speed, which will be equals 8 km per hour. So it will be equals 8x kilometer. Now total distance traveled is 26 km. So we can derive an equation which is distance traveled by cycling plus distance traveled by walking equals 26 km. So it will be 8x plus 20 minus 5x equals 26. 8x minus 5x will be 3x. 26 minus 20 will be 6. Divide both sides of the equality by 3. So x will be equal 6 upon 3, which is equals 2. So the value of x is 2. Now they have asked us to find the distance traveled by cycling. Therefore, distance traveled by cycling will be equals 8 multiplied by x, which is 8 multiplied by 2, which is equal 16 kilometers. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you.